Hi everyone, I recently had the question on how to take the data from Nintex Workflow Cloud People Picker and put that data into SharePoint Online. So the first thing you want to do is go to your start event, click on Design Form, and we're just going to put a people control on. Now, it doesn't matter if it's a single choice or a multiple selection because it's still going to be a collection. We're going to stick with single selection for the moment. Now, click Apply Changes. Now, once you've done that, you'll notice form variables, people control is a collection. So that means we have to loop through the collection. Again, doesn't matter if it's a single or multiple, you still need to loop through because it's always a collection. Then you put your people control, so start event, form variables, people control inside that collection. So it's going to loop through all the people inside. Now you want to create an item for SharePoint Online and drag that on there. So since it's looping through and you come through to here, what we'll do is connect to my environment. Grab the URL from over here. Okay, retrieve lists. Now I've just created a new list called Updating in Nintex Workflow Cloud. So we've got two fields here. We've got a title and we've also got a person column. So first I'm going to show you how to put the title in. So we'll just use full name. So click on Insert. Then the for each loop. So it's when it gets to each item in the or object in the collection, it's the current item here. Current item. So we're going to put the full name in the title, and for the person, it needs the email address to validate. So we'll put in the email address. So don't put last name, first name, email, anything else. Just put email because that's how it resolves. So once we've got those in there, we're pretty much ready to go. So we'll go publish. Okay, so publish that. And what we'll do is we'll run this workflow and see if it works. Okay, we'll open that up. And so I've also got this list here that we're hoping to get the person column and the title in here as well. Okay, so I'm going to put Ewan, select myself, start the workflow. Then we'll come back to the instances and we'll check to see if our instances started running. Testing, setting people columns in SharePoint. So that's just started. That's a different thing. So that's something else. Update using people data into SharePoint. There we go, to 16 p.m. So it's running. So we'll come into the instance for each loop. It's run through, it's found an item, and it's going and creating the item. So I'm going to refresh. And on my other screen, we will also keep this just hidden away down here. And so here you can see here the data's come through. So it's, we just click refresh here. So it's, it's created the item and it's finished. So now if we go back to our other window here, you'll see that now it's used the full name of me as the title, just because that's a string. What you'll also notice is this is a people column. So it's actually recognized me as a person. So it's used my email address there. So if I come to edit, yes, you can see it's actually used my email address for the people column. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how to use the people data from Nintex Workflow Cloud into SharePoint Online. Hope you find that useful. Let me know in the comments. Cheers.